How to manage your emails and messages settings on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage settings of your emails and messages easy and fast. So first thing, go to ebay.com and this is the home page as you can see. Now go to your messages from here and go to messages. Now if you want to edit the settings or change something from your inbox and emails, all what you have to do is go here, go to change settings and click on it. And now as you can see here, you have many options. You have the inbox settings, the email signature, the time away and automatic response, and also you can auto archive email messages. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.